In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get spare parts from Ikea. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to request a replacement piece, plus how to find the exact spare part number when you don't have it yet. Start by heading to ikea.com. On the homepage, click Go Shopping near the top, right by the search bar, to make sure you're on your local site. If you already have the spare part number, this is the fastest route. Open the Services section in the Site menu, then select Spare Parts. On the Spare Parts page, type or paste the number into the field provided and follow the prompts to request your item. Many small fittings are offered at no cost, though availability, shipping, and timelines can vary by country. If you're asked to sign in or choose a store, just follow the on-screen instructions. Those steps differ slightly by region. If you don't have the number yet, no problem. Go back to the home page and use the search bar to type the exact product you purchased. From the results, click the correct product to open its page. On that product page, expand Product Details, then scroll to the Assembly and Documents section. Click the product name to open the PDF assembly instructions. In that document, look for the parts overview, usually near the beginning, where every screw, hinge, bracket, or panel is labeled. Next to each part, you'll see a spare part or article number. That's the number you'll use. Write it down exactly as shown so you don't mix up similar items. With the number in hand, return to the Services menu, choose Spare Parts, and enter the code. Confirm the part matches your product and select the quantity you need. If your country's site asks for additional details, such as your location or store preference, just continue with the guided flow. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. Make sure you're viewing the correct country site so the Services and Spare Parts pages appear for your region. Double check the product's color, size, or version on the product page because some ranges have multiple finishes or generations and parts can differ. If the assembly PDF lists variants, match the document to the product number shown on the product page. And if you don't see the parts list at first, keep scrolling within the PDF. It's often grouped in a dedicated section before the step-by-step assembly. That's all there is to it. Either enter the spare part number directly if you have it, or use the product's assembly and documents to find it, then request it through Services and Spare Parts. Simple, clear, and reliable.